In this video, I intend to show that the supply curves that we've been dealing with thus far are also what we call marginal cost curves. There's a good chance you've never heard of the term marginal cost curve. I'm going to define it here and then explain it. A marginal cost is just the cost of producing one more unit. So let me give a hypothetical example. Suppose we currently produce 0 units, but now we are thinking of producing the first unit. It's going from 0 units to 1 unit. And let's just suppose that the cost of producing that 1 unit is $2. I'm going to come over here to my graph and draw a little bar chart at 2. Now suppose the cost of producing the second unit is $4. So come over here and draw the bar chart for marginal cost curve. The cost of producing that second unit is now $4. Then let's suppose the cost of producing the third unit is $5 and the fourth unit is $8. I'll then come in here and draw these. These bars I've drawn is like a marginal cost curve. So it's not a smooth curve, it goes up in steps. Now let's do a little thought experiment. Suppose that, let's just assume that the price that you can get by producing and selling these units is $4. What we want to ask then is how many units we want to sell. We know how much it costs to produce each unit, and we're saying the price we get is 4. So how many units do we want to sell? We certainly want to sell the first unit, because the money we'll make is the $4 minus the $2 it cost us to produce. And so by producing and selling the first unit, we will make $2. Now, for the second unit, we actually break even. It costs us, we get a price of $4 for it, but it costs us $4 to produce, so we just break even. And in those cases, we are just going to assume that we produce the good anyway. So to maximize profits, if price is 4, we're going to sell 2 units. So when price is 4, we'll sell 2 units. I'm going to mark that with the X right there. That's a point that's going to become important later. Now let's suppose that the price is $5. How many units would we want to sell then? Well, we'd want to sell the first unit because we get $5 for it. It only cost us 2 to make, so we make $3 off the first unit. We want to sell the second unit as well. We get $5 for it. It costs us $4 to produce it, so we make $1 off of that. And although we break even on the third unit, we'll just say we sell it. And so when the price is 5, we'll sell 3 units and make $4. So when price is 5, we will sell 3 units. So price of 5, sell 3. I'm going to mark that right there. And if you go through the same logic, if the price is $8, then we're going to go ahead and sell 4 units. Now notice the trend here. What we've done each time when we took the, basically what we did in this graph, we took the price and set it equal to the marginal cost curve. And the price was 4, 2. When the price was 5, 3. When the price was 8, 4. So that marginal cost curve, it basically tells us how much we'll produce and sell at any given price. Now let me just connect these dots, and I'll just say start from an intercept of 2. We'll just assume that. This curve right here tells us how much we will produce and sell at any price. And so that's like a supply curve. And so you see that supply curve and the marginal cost curves, they overlap each other. And in reality, supply is equal to marginal cost because firms only sell a unit when the price is greater than or equal to marginal cost. And if that is true, then it must be that the marginal cost curve is the supply curve. So this means if I give you a marginal cost curve that goes by this formula, and you plot it out like this, and you draw your marginal cost curve, that's also your supply curve. And then if I tell you that, say, price equals 6, then you can just use that marginal cost curve to see how much a firm would produce. You read it off, you find 2, and so the quantity produced or sold would be